So beautiful. Oh my. Oh. Does this say 55?
Yeah, they're collectors. I mean, what do I have on it?
Does that say $55?
Yeah, I would take.
Okay.
I would take 25.
How much is that?
Pardon me?
How much is that?
I'll take 25 for that.
Okay.
That's the 95th anniversary.
Yeah.
Along with this, the key fob.
I love picking up Harley Davidson products when I'm out and about, especially if they're brand new. They sell really well on eBay. Unfortunately for these, they were priced pretty much at retail, so there wasn't any room for profits, so I had to pass.
But the jacket, that's the 100th anniversary. I
Yeah, that's cool.
on that. It's never been worn. It's brand new anniversary.
How much you have in your duffel bags?
That one I'll take 5 for.
5 for it?
All the zippers work.
I remember, and I will tell you, the stuff they had, the stuff they had back then too was heavy duty.
I never smoked, and somehow I got into this point thing, and it kept saying, so I would just enter my name and enter stuff. I've got duffel bags.
Yeah, I got every
when it
duffel
first
bag
started,
that they ever had, but I got rid of them.
I got
This
like
is the last one.
beach chairs.
It's all
got
heavy.
this
It's
stuff.
all heavy duty. Like it's like good quality stuff too.
I got
absolutely,
glasses with
absolutely.
our last name, our last
That has
position
bags
on
in
it.
it just to kind
Yeah.
of make it puffy, so you can see the size.
Yeah.
It was crazy, all this
What do you have in this
stuff.
one?
But it's never been used.
Yeah. What do you have on that one?
$25.
Yeah, I mean it's a again it's a collector's because it's the anniversary edition. Yeah, 25.
Okay. I was on my way home. I found a random yard sale, so I was like, I'll stop.
Really? Really?
Hi. Oh, you're cute. That's an old dump truck.
Keep an eye out for these old tonka trucks. They can actually bring really good money. This one I decided to pass on because it was just really beat up and it had a lot of rust on it. I probably could only get about 20 bucks for it. But if one's in good condition, can bring really good money.
How old's that tricycle?
What's that?
How old? Do you know how old the tricycle is?
I think it is like in the 40s.
40s?
Yeah, I believe so. It seemed like there was a.
I really like this tricycle. I thought it was a cool vintage piece, but they were asking $100 for it. They usually go anywhere from like 100, 150 bucks, so I decided to pass on it.
I want to say it's the 30s or 40s.
YouTube family, I need your help. I come across golf clubs a lot living in Florida. I am not a golfer myself, so any tips and tricks that you guys do have, I want to learn more about them. Let me know in the comments down below. I appreciate you guys.
Comes with lenses.
Yeah, everything comes with it.
270. Is that your business? You sell pens?
My husband did it and was in the craft shows and stuff, and
Okay.
he's closing out.
Oh, you made all of them? Wow. That's interesting. That's nice.
Yeah, so they're 75% off. So
Yeah.
they make great gifts.
Yeah. And there's how many? There's just one extra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Was that your one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No issues with it. Everything works
No
good?
issues. Everything worked great. I used to. Main reason I had it was for nighttime photography out in Arizona,
Okay.
catching the galaxy and that
Oh,
kind of
that's.
stuff.
I bet you have some phenomenal pictures with it then. She was telling me that you made all these.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Handmade every one of them. Acrylics, woods. They all use either standard Parker or cross refills. So I went with a Pentax over a Canon
Yeah.
because it's also a sealed model. Whereas with the Canons and the Nikons,
Yeah.
they can get a lot of dust and debris inside of them.
I know you're SN2. Would you do 125 for it?
Do 150.
150? No, want to do 125? Yeah, stuck at 150. I understand. All right, well, you have a good day, man.
You too.
I think I'm going to regret it. I'll give you the 150. It's 25 bucks, right?
I'm coming down 50.
So you're coming down 50. You're working with me. But it has all that. I'm walking away. I'm like, it has all the accessories and stuff like that. It does work. We were able to test it out, so
Yep.
give you the 150 for it.
Can do.
Appreciate you working with me, man. All right, so I'm at American Legion indoor sale. See how it goes. Hello.
Oh yeah, I do have a $10 bill.
What do you say, Gary?
Yeah. You're very welcome. Thank you. All right. Without the remote, how much would you take for that?
$2.
I'll take these two.
Okay.
$2.
Yes, sir. Well, I thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Normally I would have bought this VCR for $5. Usually if I can get it for like $5 or less, I always pick them up. But I have so many that I need to test right now, I decided to pass.
Tammy,
I like his old glasses.
whose stuff is this?
That's the pressure glass.
Yeah, depression glass.
Look at this. This was from
1920s.
Yep, 1920.
That's cool.
But I'll give you a different price.
Sing that. Oh yeah, that's for your spices.
What is this? A picture. Stocking stuffers. Like a light old patch. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think beer signs are so cool.
I'm gonna have to move the price tag so people know it.
Yeah, man, that's a quick sale. He goes with it.
Yeah.
Like a little box.
She does work.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Is this your table? Oh, I like to buy that. You said it does work?
Yeah.
The ballerina?
Yes, it is. Yeah. It's got a button that you can pull out.
Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. Wait, maybe it has to be on the table? Oh, it has to be pushed down.
This one turns it on and off.
Yeah,
And
but
then
this
one
has to be
is
pushed
the one
up.
that triggers it.
So when it's, yeah, so if you're holding it, it won't go. So when you have to put it on the table, so it triggers it. And then how you turn it off? You push that button in?
Right.
Perfect. How much was it? $3?
$2.50. Thank you. That 5?
So put that in my truck. I'll be right back. I don't want to break it.
No, that's a collector's item.
Yeah, it is. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh my.
Brand new. I have the box and the styrofoam as of the table.
Do you?
Yeah.
This was the store display. This was the store display.
Wanna pick up the temple? Yeah! Step into a Slim Jim!
When I was in the hospital, I had a guy who was buying it for 75, but my son said he couldn't find it.
It's a cool piece.
It is. They got a new model, that's an older one.
Yeah. I can't pass this up. I will regret it if I don't buy it.
I wish it came with the Slim Jim. I would have ate them though.
Well, you would eat all Slim Jims
Yeah,
if it came with it? I can't believe this is, I gotta pull it out here for a second. I mean, this is in excellent condition. I remember seeing this. I literally went to a store and I saw some, like at a gas station, they had them on display, and I even tried to buy it from the attendant, and they would not sell me this.
I used to work at Circle K.
Oh, okay. Is that where you got it from?
And they do hang too.
Yeah, they hang. Yeah.
I don't like the new one they got now.
Do you have that one too?
No, but I can probably get one.
Can you?
If you want to leave the number outside.
Yeah, I would definitely be interested in that one too.
Covered in styrofoam balls.
Oh, am I?
Yeah.
It's worth it. It's worth the sacrifice for the Macho Man.
Need a little excitement? Step into a Slim Jim! Ooh, yeah!
Guys, I want to take a quick break from this video here to let you guys know that I appreciate all you guys' support, but only about 20% of you are actually subscribed to the channel and watching the videos. If you made it this long, you're liking what we're doing, so do us a favor, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out. You get notifications every time a new video drops. So let's get back to picking here.
So beautiful.
They are. I'll give you a good price on it.
Yeah, I don't think I want to deal with it all. I know. I saw that earlier. Yeah.
This is all worth money.
Yeah. No, it's depression glass, like the glass sets and stuff like that. Do you know any information on that at all?
I don't.
How long have you had it for?
Well, I had it for 60 years.
60 years? Yeah, I'll buy it. I try to look online, try to take a picture of it, and I don't have any information on it. So, but $2, why not? It's a cool looking piece. Do you have like newspaper or anything I can wrap that? Do you have newspaper or anything I can wrap that up in? You get 2 on that. Want to do just 3 on that? Make it an even 5?
Sure.
I'm trying to expand my knowledge in glassware. I don't know much. So this piece was only $2, so I figured why not pay for my education, pick it up, take a chance on it, and see what happens. All right, so let's talk about my favorite absolute find of the day. Okay, this is actually a holy grail for me for wrestling stuff, and it is super cool. Slim Jim released these in gas stations, and they're actually for store displays, and they film with Slim Jims. You put them on the top counter.
When these first came out, I used to go to gas stations and try to offer them 50 bucks to buy them. No one would actually sell it to me. So when I found this one brand new for 50 bucks, I had to pick it up. I'm gonna keep this one for my personal collection. Now there's actually multiple Macho Mans. This is the red one, so this is the first release they actually did. There's also a purple one that was released later on down the line. But used, these sell anywhere from 125 to 150 bucks. This is brand new in the original box with the styrofoam. So I'm valuing this $200 to $250 for this item. So I paid 50 bucks for it. My absolute favorite find of the day. Might be one of my favorite finds in the entire year, to be honest with you. So I am super pumped about this. For those who don't know, I am a independent pro wrestler. Also, I am a massive pro wrestling fan and collector. So this was, I could not be happier with this. I come across a lot of glassware when I'm out and about, but I don't know much about glassware. I'm still learning. Tim, over the years, is great knowledge, so he's been giving me some pointers along the way here. But I found this vase. It was only $2. She says she had it for 40, 50 years. So it's absolutely beautiful. I'm not gonna lose money on it. I don't know this pattern, so if anyone knows anything about this or can give me any pointers, let me know in the comments down below. But for $2, it's worth a gamble. This piece is super cool. So this is the BOLO ballerina. As you saw in the video there, it does work. This button pushes in, so that's how it triggers it when it goes in, and the ballerina dances. I paid $2.50 for this. I saw them online going anywhere from like 30 to 40 bucks, so that's a great pickup. I don't know a lot about cameras, but I'd like to learn more about them because they could bring some big money, and I come across them kind of often at yard sales. So when I came across this one, I know Pentax is actually a great brand. It has the manual, it has extra lenses, has the filters on it. He wanted 200 bucks for it. He was willing to negotiate on everything. I looked it up on eBay. Just the camera without a lens on it was selling for like $350. I knew I wouldn't lose any money on it if I can get him to come down a little bit on this. I offered him $125. We settled on $150, so I'm actually happy with that. Got $150 invested in this. I think I can get between $300 and $400 bucks for the camera. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate everybody out there. Do me a favor, make sure you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you like this type of content, please check out this other video we're about to post up here. Until next time, keep picking and punching.